Jump ball. Dribbling the ball, ISO, stolen by pass to number 45, that's Kid Arnel Pepito. Pass to number 23, block by number 27. Stolen by number 5, pass to number 45 and 25 and 5. Ibabay ko. Inbound, pass to number 45, pass to number 4, pass to number 35, number 9, shoots, score! Number 39, that's Mira. What a move, but that's good. Rebound by number 4, pass to number 45, that's Arnel Pepito. 6, stolen by number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali, pass to number 45. Good for 2, pass to number 66, stolen by number 9. Nagmamadali, pass to Arnel Pepito, number 45. Good for, not good. Number 4, good for 2. 12 over 4. Number 45, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, Kapaw. ISO. Pass to number 3, that's Conson. Good for 2. 17, that's Pepito, drive, pass to 23. Number 3, nagmamadali. Number 3, pass to Kapaw, pass to Pepito. Easy 2. 3, 2, 1. Monreal attacks, block by number 27. Pass to Erenya, not good. Number 35, pass to number 3, attack Soto, not good. Good. Conson, rebound by Contapay, Conson again. Good for 2 by Conson. Rebound by Rodriguez again. Pass to Pepito, that's stolen by Pepito. Number 13, nagmamadali. Foul, number 80. Ano ba? Pass to Bolorancia. What a move. Stolen by Kapaw. Nagmamadali. Tries to shoot. Good for 2 by Kapaw. What a score. Kapaw. Attack. Traveling. Score 26 over 27. Double. 27. Attack sa rim. Parang nag-yoga lang. Monreal attacks. Monreal. Number 4. That's Contapay. Attack. Good for 2 by Glass. Back to 63. Not good. Rebound by Banyo. Black. Pepito. Put back by number 3.
Kaya hindi ko mga photo. Kuhan ka mo.
Soto.
Hindi sinabangan pa ka.
Contapay, pass to number 9. Score! 34-35. 4-3. Pasa yan. Explore the Red Sea. Sarilabaw. Kapaw. Pass to Kumson. What a nice pass. Mira, pass to Lim. Lim. Block by Kapaw. Contapay. Short. Kumson. Easy to. Kapaw, pass to number 4. Wow. Good for 2. Ay, Contapay. Kita kapasan. Pass to Kapaw. Kapaw. 4-3.
Shot clock represent new standby. Rosales 2. Right there.
3 bang. Score 55-40.